Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix alt+tab not working in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKeyCurrent user, click and expand control panel, click and expand desktop. Open foreground lock timeout, change value data to 0, click OK and exit registry editor. Third method is type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar, click sysdm.cpl. Click Advanced tab, click Settings. Check Enable Peek, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.